Prosecutors in the murder trial of American student Amanda Knox have begun their closing argument in Perugia, Italy this morning. CBS News correspondent Elizabeth Palmer has the latest on the case. Good morning, Liz.
Good morning, Maggie. Well, this is really the beginning of the end for this case. All the evidence has been presented for a crime that happened 2 years ago now. The trial's been running since January, and as you said, the prosecutor and the defense will now be summing up.
Amanda Knox arrived in court this morning for what is certain to be a stressful session. She, along with her former boyfriend, Rafael Sollecito, will hear the final summary of the case against them. Both are charged with murder and, if convicted, could face life in jail. The prosecution argues that Meredith Kircher died from stab wounds in a sex game turned violent and that Knox and Sollecito were part of it. But when they realized what had happened, according to the prosecutor, they staged a burglary to suggest an intruder had done it. One man has already been convicted of Kircher's murder. Rudy Guede was sentenced last fall. But this week, at an appeal hearing, he said for the first time after the murder, he saw Amanda Knox in silhouette running away from the house. Ultimately, though, the case against Knox and Sollecito rests largely on circumstantial evidence, with little solid proof to show what really happened that night.
Now, this summing up stage could go for 10 days or 2 weeks yet, and the actual verdict is expected sometime in December. Maggie?
CBS's Elizabeth Palmer, thank you.